If you're looking for cute, comfortable summer clothes that actually work for travel and don't cost a fortune, you're gonna love this Walmart haul because I found some really great pieces that I wasn't expecting. I'm gonna try everything on so you can see how it fits, and I'm gonna show you what I would actually take on my trip. This has the nice nautical vibes. It's got that coastal sort of Riviera chic look. This is 100% cotton, comes in a size extra small all the way to 4X. This nice roll detail on the neck, sleeves, and on this bottom part. I have it paired with these white pants and my Valentino rock stud slides, but you could wear this with flip-flops, sneakers, anything. And I love that it's not too big on the underarm area. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Maria, and on this channel we talk about where to go, what to wear, and how to pack to get it there. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. We're going to have everything linked in the description today and also in the first pinned comment, or you can scan the QR code. This is a cotton crochet cardigan. It has a little bit of a puff sleeve, and you can wear it closed or you could wear it open over like a tank top or something. These are no boundaries shorts and have these little side bows and two pockets. They're also 100% cotton. This one comes in an extra small to a 4XL, and the shorts come in extra small to extra large. I have these paired with these New Balance sneakers. These are the New Balance with the pink gingham, and they're super cute. This dress is so cute. I feel like I could see this at Anthropologie or Altered State or something. It's super cute. It's 100% cotton, so it's all natural. Very breathable, and you can wear a regular bra with it, depending on how big your straps are. And I really like the way that it fits. It falls like over to the knee. You can dress it up or down with your shoes, and you could also wear it with sneakers for travel. This one comes in an extra small to a 3XL. This is the roll neck short sleeved sweater, and it's got this knit flag in the middle of it. It's knit into the sweater, and it has really nice detail on the seams, the roll neck, and it's giving total Ralph Lauren vibes, I think, here. These are no boundary shorts, and they're just regular jean short mid-rise, and you don't really even have to tuck this in. You could maybe, if you wanted to, and maybe wear it with a belt, but it looks like really much higher price point than what it is. The top comes in an extra small up to a 4XL. The denim shorts are a 3-inch length. They come in size 00 up to 20. I'm wearing a size 4 in these. This also is 100% cotton. So I'm reading this book by Erin Walsh, and every day you ask yourself how you want to feel. I'm really enjoying the book. Today is a Saturday. When you ask yourself how you want to feel, you're supposed to pick 3 words to describe how you want to feel that day. And so my 3 words for today were fun, playful, and flirty. And so I've got this Catch of the Day shirt, and it's really cute. I just got it in this Walmart haul. But anyway, it's a really good book. I'll have it linked in the description too. You can either do it on Audible, Kindle, or regular paperback or hardcover. So I really like this one. It's also cotton. It has that nice roll neck and the stitching, but this one is in white. Same kind of sleeve. I thought this was really cute. Also going along with that sort of nautical theme. It falls in that same area, same fit as the other one. And again, it's knitted into the sweater, the pattern. This comes in an extra small up to a 4X, and this one is the size small. These are the Levi Capri mid-rise jeans. They come between sizes 2 and 26. And just for reference, again, I'm 5'1" and wearing the size 2 in these pants, and they are pretty stretchy. I forgot to mention that these cropped jeans have this cuff, but it's sewn on there, so you have to leave it cuffed. There's not an option to wear it otherwise. It's meant to look like this, and it's actually stitched in place. This is a no boundaries dress. It's a really low price point. It's like less than $15 regular price. You could wear a regular bra with it, obviously. It has the nice detail of this little kind of top, and then it also has this detail here with the bow, and it's very flattering. It's forgiving in the stomach, and it comes down about to my knees. I have it paired with these pink gingham sneakers, but you could also dress it up with heels or a nice flat shoe or anything like that as well. I really love this. This is the only dress that's not 100% cotton that I'm showing today. This is 100% polyester, but because of that, it's so thin that it packs so easily and it won't wrinkle as much either. So I really am loving this, especially for travel. A lot of these things are also very size inclusive. This comes in extra, extra small all the way through extra, extra large. And I'm wearing an extra small just for reference. This little ruffle trim sweater is really cute. It's got the ruffle trim obviously on the sleeves and on the midriff where it meets your pants, but it's not a crop necessarily. It still comes down past the top of my shorts. And this is 60% cotton and 40% modal. And then the shorts are similar to those pink ones, except these have the stripe. They've got the little bow detail here. They also have the 2 pockets. And I think this is really fun. Right now I have it paired with my rock studs, but you could also pair this with any sandals, flip-flops, or even the pink gingham. For me, I know that I want to wear these sneakers as much as I can, so I would probably pair them with this by day to walk around, especially if I'm traveling. And also these shorts are really thin and pack really easy. The shorts come in extra, extra small to extra, extra large, and I'm wearing an extra, extra small in the shorts. This sweater comes in extra small through extra, extra large, and I'm wearing a regular small in the top. I love this Eyelet baby doll dress. This is the same one that I got in that peach color, and it's got really good flow. It's forgiving in the tummy. You can wear a regular bra with it, and it's got the cute little bow detail in addition to the eyelet. And I totally would wear this by day with these pink gingham sneakers, and then you could also wear them with slides, flip-flops, just white sneakers, anything. And then at nighttime you could dress it up with a pair of wedges or heels, espadrilles, something like that. This dress is 100% cotton, and it also comes in size extra small through 3XL. I'm wearing the extra small just for reference. Again, I'm 5'1". This is another cute little look. It's got this white tank top that has the removable bow on it. I paired it with that same shirt that I had closed earlier, and I'm wearing it now open as a third layer with a little puff sleeve, a cardigan, and then these are little boxer shorts, and they come in pink and in blue. Of course, it's more of a coral pink, but I love it. It still matches with these gingham New Balance. I would definitely wear it like that by day. And then I also, you can tell I have it paired with another pair of shoes. These are just a pair of Nine West slides, but these are real comfortable, or you could wear it with flip-flops or anything. These shorts have pockets. So both of these pieces are cotton, and they both come in size extra small to 3XL. Also, I wanted to say that the underarm on this is a good size. So this is a really pretty sweater. It's actually a fully functioning button cardigan. So you can either wear it closed like it is with these gold buttons, or you could wear it open like a third layer, kind of like I did with that other one. I love the length on these, and this looks great paired with the beige pants. I could also do it with red pants or white pants or even a blue, and then jeans, of course. You can see it has these little embroidered things on there, but then actually some of these are charms. Can you see that? And then some of them are embroidered on there. And so I really like that, as I wouldn't use these 2 pockets because I think that would look funky. So it doesn't have any pockets, but it does seem to have a nice quality to it. And I really do think that this is kind of going into that whole Americana preppy vibe and also nautical. So it's hitting a lot of boxes with all of that. I think I'm going to try it with something underneath and unbutton it to show you what that looks like too. This comes in extra small through 4X, and I'm wearing a small. So I really do like a third layer for interest as far as an outfit goes, and a little extra warmth. It's always air conditioned in the summer when you go places. So I really like this. The gold buttons look nice. It's got nice lines on it, and even paired with like just this beige kind of base layer underneath, it gives you that little column look with this on top. It just adds something extra. And again, you could dress it up or down. I just have it with these little slides. You could wear it with flip-flops. You could wear it with sneakers. Nice white sneakers or boat shoes or something would look good too. And so I wasn't sure about this one. You might notice this was the only one that had the tags on it, but I think I am going to keep this. It really does have an elevated look. And honestly, you guys, this was the most expensive piece in the bunch, and it was $30 even. So, you know, it's kind of crazy the quality that they're giving at Walmart these days. It's kind of insane. So if you want to see how I would pack the pieces, I would do a 3x3x3 capsule wardrobe, and this is what I would put in it. If you want to see that video, I'll put it in the cards and you can watch that one next. So for this 3x3x3, I've got the jean shorts, the cropped jeans, and the beige pants. I've got a jean jacket, I've got the nautical cardigan, and the white crochet cardigan. But remember, those will double as tops as well. So instead of the third top, I'm going to bring the anchor top, the white tank, and the white dress in place of the top, since two of my tops double as a layer and a top. These outfits today are very designer inspired. They look like they could be anything from Ralph Lauren to Anthropologie, Altered State, and even J. Crew. These look way more expensive than they are. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In the next video, you can watch me pack and prep for a beach vacation. We're headed to Curacao.